Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's methods are small design gigs. Now you can do these gigs by collaborating with other designers or by having other designer friends who don't really like to work on all of these small details. For example, let's say that a designer needs backgrounds cut from these images for an online shop, for example. Then that's a gig for you to participate in and to take if you are a beginner designer, or sometimes even on bigger projects like, for example, creating a, let's say, shop page or creating a landing page or stuff like that of the more experienced designers who don't really enjoy that, so they can hire you. Alternatively, you can also go to websites like Fiverr and OneSpace, which are actually formed around this gig economy, so you can create all of these different offers for clients, and basically you can create these small tasks for yourself to create for these particular clients. On websites like OneSpace, it's usually much less work than on Fiverr, for example, because it's much smaller platform than Fiverr, but you can actually get some additional income here and there from OneSpace. While on Fiverr, you can create dedicated offers, and I would really recommend you to put yourself on video when you're presenting these offers, because research has shown, especially Fiverr's research, that clients are usually more inclined to go with the designers who have video on their particular gig offer. So this is not something which is going to make you rich. This is not something which is going to be your only income stream, but it's a great way for you to earn some additional income here and there, to refresh your gear, for example, to purchase a better chair, a better table, a better monitor or stuff like that. So make sure to consider it if you're just getting started, or if you want some additional income for your business, just to explore these different income paths. So a gig economy, a great way to do that, just because you're going to offer these small tasks in exchange for money. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.